Hi, I'm Travis Moy, Mastercraft partner and owner of the boating school, and today we'll be discussing how to get a boating license. As long as you're of the appropriate age, passing the state exam is all it takes to get yours. Start by doing a quick search online to pull up your state's testing and age requirements. Each state has its boating education requirements available online, usually along with other information related to natural resources or transportation. A course and exam is required to get your boating license. The course is structured in sections. After each section, a review must be completed and passed before you can move on to the next. Boating courses are not designed to be difficult. The purpose is to learn how to safely be on the water and raise your awareness by presenting information on every facet of boating. The course covers boating basics and terminology, state boating regulations, navigation rules, handling boating emergencies, and how to enjoy water sports safely. Once you've completed your course, it's time to take your exam. The exam is usually in a multiple choice format, and if you don't pass the first time, don't worry. You can take it again. Once you have passed, you're ready to pay and receive your certificate. To receive your certificate, you must simply make your payment, which is usually no more than $50. You will get a printout of your certificate that is valid for 90 days. Within 4 to 6 weeks, a wallet-sized card from the state will be sent to you in the mail, and it's good for life. Now you're ready to safely hit the water. And while your boating license will make it legal for you to operate a boat, we highly recommend taking an on-water boating course to better learn boating safety and how to properly and safely drive the boat, pick up downed riders, and be a courteous boater. First-hand experience with a professional on the water will put your newfound knowledge to the test and make you a safer and more confident boat driver. If you have any questions on the process, we encourage you to reach out to us via any of our social platforms. Thank you for joining us today and being a part of the Mastercraft family.